Corner, wearing white trimmed with red, Indonesia Master Camp, Master, age is just a number, Suro. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, former WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight Champion, Jay Bazooka Banal.
You understand? AJ? Okay? Okay, touch glove, good luck, and let's do this.
What type of maturity do you want to see?
I look for him to be patient, pick his spots, huwag siya magmadali. Yeah, and then use that left. Master Suro, I see him to be very tough. In 2015, he was knocked out by Pai Elorde, or rather he was decisioned by Insukar in 2017. He also lost a decision. Hindi masyadong gumagalaw, hindi masyadong umiiwas.
Number one, Suro he's being very patient here, calculating.
Again, the left hand. Uppercut.
Get inside with the uppercut, throwing any jabs, leading with that right hand.
Of that ring rust.
Hook and straight. Wala kay AJ Banal. Trying to be egged on, but
Banal. You want to see that combination with a snap. You want to see him show some speed with the AJ Banal.
it's a feeling out round so far. Here's Survival Instinct, Matira Matibay. Unofficially on your scorecard, Dane, how did you score round number one?
That went to Banal. But I just felt that Banal was a little too tight. A little too tense.
Hinamon kasi siya ni Master Suro.
Sim City North EDSA, Skydome.
Si Banal ginagamit yung footwork para makalayo.
This fight. He's got himself in shape.
Tamang giga 50 na. Work his way inside. Now has Bazooka on the ropes.
Si Banal, he did hit him with a nice shot to the basok si Suro. He wants to counterpunch.
Staying in his shell, staying inside his guard.
It's because he lacked the wind. Down
So
the stretch.
Suro unloading.
Number one, but I'll still have to give this to Bazooka.
Instinct. Matira Matibay. Close to changes it, but a more aggressive second round para kay Master Suro.
And for Master Suro, two. Now he's got to lead off.
Through the guard nito si Master Suro. Nice straight from Suro. Ooh. But a welcome sight.
That's good news because then he can counter. Pagpasok dito ni Suro, I'm sure referee Ferdy Estrella, third man in the ring, looking at both fighters very
With
close.
scoring mode pa eh. Oh, nice body shot. Again now.
Tinatamaan niya ngayon yung tagiliran ni Master Suro.
Suro.
And Master Suro is playing mind games now. But AJ Ban, he wants to make sure that he gets the job done in this one. A problem para sa kanya, his stamina.
Number na sagad sa sayas against the data, magiga 50 na.
Magandang defensive strategy ang ginagawa dito ni Bazooka as he comes in.
Power shots of his own kontra kay AJ Ban. Going back to his jab, 1-2.
So far, he's been shooting some shots. Kulang sa suntok. As far as his opponent is concerned, he's really showing hardly anything.
Sa minuto natin tira din sa round number 4.
AJ Banal worked on his defensive movement. You like the way he moves away from Suro when he leaves himself open for a counter-attack.
But now just letting the jab fly. Oh, Suro, combination of his own. Goes up top. 10-9 ang ating score. That Survival Instinct scorecard. Kita magiga 50 na.
And then, with the same hand, using that right hand, that's a up an opportunity para sa kanyang kaliwa. That's AJ Banal.
Just enough footwork para maiwasan yung incoming rush. Kaya nyo winawasiwas. Uppercut again. Wala nang isang minuto at kalahati. Natitira sa round number 5.
Banal is really not pressing the action. Work on the body that time. He had a 6-rounder last December, but before that he had fought resettling in Manila and finally finding a home in Magallanes, Cavite. Instructions to Banal. Now Banal moving in, throwing that right hand to the side of the Master Suro with that body attack. Open up the middle, the Master Suro.
Left and right. Going for the uppercut this time. parusa ni AJ Banal, pumapasok sa kanyang depensa. Ngayon and a half, natitira sa round 6. The more you move, the more angles you see today. Suro just parrying away. Mga jab ni AJ Banal.
Pressuring. He's not being overly aggressive, but he's just making
Good deep. Banal backing away. Suro has been on the defensive.
a little bit off timing that time.
Indonesian.
And more of the same, the Papanut. But he's really not in a hurry to step up the pace. And so far,
Para sa summer na sagad sa saya, sagad sa data, magiga 50 na.
Banal. You know, I want to see more hand speed.
Oh, nice body shot. Suro trying to fight back. Jabs away in his own. Leads with a right straight.
Trainer Joven Jimenez go for the kill. I'm not seeing that. It's
Not
not
yet.
yet.
Nice jab.
Ito,
Nice.
Master Suro ang ginagawa dito ni AJ Banal. That has been a problem for Bazooka Banal.
Survival.
Sa first round, that has to be the same kind of strength and power.
The pressure. Again, kahit nagpe-press.
Banal still on his toes. A very patient, very methodical fight plan. Wala pang nakukuha round si Master Suro.
What Banal has been doing consistently as well. Aside
Hit him. And you wonder with a name like baka Master of None. And here we go. Piling up the points. Getting there. I don't think that's a fight plan of Banal. Soaking in the rounds.
Oh,
Getting
nice
in
straight.
training time. A rare connection on the part of the Indonesian. Brett, I noticed previously, we mentioned that in between rounds, I thought he might have been breathing heavily, but not anymore, below the belt line. That's a connection by AJ Banal. More punches to the body. Is he looking to close his out? He's still pretty good in the later.
Banal slowing down a bit. Pero hindi siya pwedeng makulong.
Mga survival antics.
AJ trying to move in pero agad nagki-clinch si Master Suro.
AJ Banal because halos hindi nga bumapangat ang kanyang kalaban.
He's trying to unload some combinations. But he has
Ating kanina, he fought previously twice in the Philippines.
what is it the sign off? Is it pati?
The way things are going here, section, not straying from his fight plan and training time. Now he can close it out. They can put a nice, spectacular finish here, and I think that's what he's got in mind. I think he's got the go signal from Coach Joven Jimenez. Go for the kill.
Oh, connects with a left hand. Agency now for the Indonesian slugger.
Well, the only way Suro can.
Oh, both of them. Balik sila sa gitna. Breaks the guard by pushing off. Oh, nice connection. But hindi ka pwedeng bigyan ng jab straight.
And now with the combination, fight. About to close. Oh, the mouthpiece got out of the mouth.
Or sting in that combination.
It looks like time is going to run out on AJ Banal to end this fight with a knockout.
There's a bazooka barrage.
For the winner by unanimous decision, AJ Bazooka Banal!